Part of the graph of y equals f dash of x is shown below. The corresponding part of the graph of y equals f of x is best represented by... Looking at the graph of f dash of x, it can be the graph of a positive quartic function. A quartic function is a fourth degree polynomial. This means f of x is going to be a positive fifth degree polynomial. Looking at the graphs, only option B is a graph of a positive function that can be a fifth degree polynomial. And so option B is the answer to this question. Another way to find the graph of f of x from the graph of its derivative f dash of x is to first identify the x-intercepts of the graph of its derivative. The x-intercepts are the stationary points of the graph of f of x. F dash of x has two x-intercepts. What this means is that the graph of f of x will have two stationary points, and both of these are going to be to the left of the origin. Next, what you need to do is split the graph of f dash of x into regions between each x-intercept, and then identify whether each region has a positive or a negative gradient. Because we're given the graph of f dash of x, the graph above the x-axis means the gradient of f of x is going to be positive, and the graph below the x-axis means that the gradient of f of x is going to be negative. The left region from negative infinity to the first x-intercept has a positive gradient as the graph is above the x-axis. The next region has a negative gradient as the graph is below the x-axis. And the third region is going to have a positive gradient. A positive gradient means the graph of f of x will be increasing, and a negative gradient means the graph of f of x will be decreasing. Looking at the answers, we want the graph to be increasing for the first and the third region, and decreasing for the second region. Only option B satisfies this, and so B is the answer to this question. To practice exam questions related to graphing derivatives or antiderivatives from unknown functions, log into the Maths Methods Club and from the main topics click on Differentiation. And then from the subtopics, click on Graph of the Derivative Function. There are 7 multiple choice questions you can try. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.